right, everybody, we're at A-0591. We talked with our client yesterday. We are going to cover our warehouse vestibule in metal. We've ordered that as of last night. Our main open office area right here is coming together for small parts. Pretty active day, pretty active week, to be honest. And you can hear the install going on for our restrooms. Our bathrooms turned out fantastic with the cleaning. Here's our new stalls, the gunmetal gray. Everything looks good. Now we've got some issues with the old stuff and the new stuff. So what we're going to do down in here is we're going to get a epoxy, and we're going to fill these up with a dark gray, a gunmetal gray epoxy that will keep anything from actually being an issue. And that's what we look like on this side. And here's our female restrooms. And these will finish up probably Monday, Tuesday of next week. Same issue is going to happen here as it did on the opposite side. So these hit a little bit better. We'll fill these up with black epoxy, dark gray gunmetal epoxy, and nothing will permeate them. Nice finishes, everything will look great. We'll walk, thanks fellas. Now our sinks and our plumbing will start installing next week. Sinks did not deliver like they were supposed to, but that's okay. Instead of walking us all the way to the front, I can tell you right now that all of the lights on the first and second floor are complete, and the painting in the front office is 90%, which is nice. They're finishing up some of the smaller offices. We will be repainting the front vestibule because I wasn't very happy with the wall that the sign came off on. So as of right now, your project is what I would consider 100% complete, less the tenant change orders, and the 2 outstanding change orders for the tenants are casework related. We're still another couple weeks out with the countertops and with the casework itself, through the decision-making process and the selections. It just took a little longer than expected, but once we received our selections, we went after them. That'll also give us time to come back in here and touch up some of the small things that we want to do before we leave. So that's what we look like on the 22nd. We'll be submitting a 90% effective bill.
Yeah, my video was really
Thank you. And then continue rocking and rolling and moving forward. And that's what we look like. You all enjoy the week.